What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, to make mini tacos, you're going to need flour tortillas or spinach wraps, 1 or 2 sticks of butter, not eggs. I do apologize about that. You're going to need garlic powder and oregano. Today, we're going to focus more on making the mini tacos. However, if you do want to know how to make taco meat, please check out my Taco Bell Supreme video. These tacos are great for Taco Tuesdays, and without further ado, let's get to creating this delicious treat, family. Okay, family. So at this time, you can take your flour tortilla or your spinach wrap and you're going to make mini circles. If you don't have a cookie cutter, you can use the top of a small can, or you can use the lid of a mason jar. And let's go ahead and make our little circles. Oh yes, and use something heavy to go ahead and make indents into your flour. And let's go ahead and make our mini circles, family. I figured that'd be a good trick to show you guys. And they come out like little circles, family, just like so. Give me a like. Now at this time, we're going to go ahead and melt 1 or 2 sticks of butter. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of oregano and garlic powder. And we're going to give this a nice mix, family. Just like so. Yes. Now we're going to go ahead and put in our little circles of our flour and our spinach wraps. And we're going to give these a nice mix. These are going to be beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead and take our cupcake pan, turn it upside down, and we're going to place our mini circles inside the crevices there to make mini tacos. And believe me, family, this is going to be fun. Now we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and allow these to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, family. Alright? Let's go ahead and stick those in there now. And after 5 to 10 minutes, this is what we're looking like, family. And at this time, go ahead and put your favorite filling in. I'm using taco meat and cheese. Yes. We're going to place this back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Until then, quick facts. How many variety of tacos are there? There are 3 varieties of tacos: carnitas, carne asadas, and al pastor. As is traditional, they are each garnished simply with cilantro and chopped onion, and served with lime on the side for seasoning and taste for the consumer. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. And after 5 to 10 minutes, family, this is what we have. You did this, family. Easy and simple. At this time, I'm going to go ahead and put sour cream on there. Nothing too elaborate. Basic. Alright, let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. And look at that. Beautiful for a Super Bowl party or any type of party, even Taco Tuesdays. Let's have a bite. Delish! I want to say thank you so much, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 dings and to our next food adventure. Peace.